students, so let's talk about iOS interview question, top 5 iOS interview questions, second part. And so 5 iOS interview questions, and so we're gonna discuss on this. First question is, what is Swift and what is Objective-C? In this first question, and discuss iOS, what is Swift and what is Objective-C. So in this, what is Objective-C? Objective-C is the primary programming language. Objective-C is the primary programming language. You use write software. For OS X, iOS. It is a superset of C programming language. And this is in this language provide object-oriented capabilities and use of function and functionality programming language. And in this, what difference between Swift? What is Swift? Swift is a new programming language for iOS and OS, watchOS and tvOS apps. Swift is a new programming language. This is a watchOS and tvOS apps and that builds on the best of C and Objective-C. In this Swift programming language. Okay. So we're gonna check on the next question in this example. So next question is, outline the classes hierarchy for UI button until NS object. Outline the classes hierarchy for UI button until NS object. So in this question answer, so UI button inherit from UI view. UI button inherit from UI control. UI button first inherit from UI control, and UI control inherit from UI view, and UI view inherit from UI responder. UI responder inherit from root class NS object. UI responder inherit from root class NS object in this tutorial. Okay, and we're gonna check on this next question. What are UI elements in iOS? So UI elements are some of these components of this. This is a text and text field and buttons and labels and so labels and images in this UI element in this iOS. Okay, and you can check on next question. This is, why is the design pattern very important? So in this design pattern very important. So design pattern are important in software design. Because design pattern are reusable solution to many common problems in this solution. So design pattern are reusable solution to many common problems such as singleton. So design pattern in this super design pattern such as common problems solved in this singleton. And we're gonna check on the next question. Explain the lazy property in Swift. So the lazy modifies written before the declaration of this property, and we're gonna apply on this property, lazy property in this, and lazy property in this, at least content on this list in this UI. So thank you for watching. You can use of enjoy my channel, like my videos, and this iOS top 5 question in Swift.